Upon sorting, oh! Nakita na ko siya. Nadami nga ni Sarisa na o si Carlo. I know, dili ako nagamani. So, of course, si Carlo nagida. Glance at our 4 years for forever. So, this was last 2019, I guess. Okay, 4 years man. So, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 4 years. This is a kind of gift that for forever, Charis. So, yung hilig before. Mga gift mga. I mean, until now naman. But before our very efforts. So this was among sagbayan time. Yung fasimian. And then, I don't know. Nga nang iyat-iyat niyan. Joke. Dili, naami mga moments ng ani. Joke rani. But, see? Jokes are half meant. That is why friends into lovers, Charis. And yeah, this was during our activity sa SAA STAN. The Bayus to Time moment. And this was our secret but on purpose nilaag. We delivered letters man ani ata. So sa mga nanghatag ni mga letters. And then 2015. Then our first laag night out, December 18, 2015. See, specific, but just very detailed. And now we have this Mervin. So sa yun yung top ni guys. Diyan nami ani mo promise bracelet. Nya, ikaw at Julia ha. Bisag very simple ra. Ay nako. Next, we also experience Mr. and Miss RSA idol called someone. So he was the Mr. Bodyfit and I was the Miss Sexy that time. Ah, diba? Gara. First runner up ko and siya kay ano ba nakalimot ko? Basta dito siya ang daog. Kapila ka ito ng first runner up ka sa SA idol? Second. Kaya akong partner that time kay si Kuan man. Siya partner. Isa ding daog atong Mr. SA day. Marting? Nya second. Ang first kay si Kuya Mark. So kami mong Kuya Mark partner ani. This is I Speak. So ang mga joke sa una tanawa ra ko. Joke na, pero I don't know. Kini secret on na ni Anna. Kami lang dalawa ang nakakaalam in our closest friends. And daming memories na nangyari. See our Adsaka time. Kami na anak. So, pasensya sa mga nanga-block kay Odetta siya. 2016. So during I will not forget this night to remember, no? He was crowned as the Mr. City Icon. He was also the best interview that time, best in casual wear, damit pa niyang award, and then I was just a simple photographer, o ako ang photographer that time, City. Diba? Ang galing. DSLR ako dala. And then another moments and memories. Mga tumig-anda, maglaag, gindol man. Secret on lagi ni. And then yan, dami na mga nagaganap na din. So noon, hindi na namin namamalayan. We're making memories. Mga review nga time. After review, laag sa CPG Park with him. And then 2017, ay ka nang graduate nung. Ay, 2017 siya nang graduate. Ako pa 2016. So I was there. And then this was the first ever bouquet of flowers ngayong gihatag na ako. Baka budget na siya, kaya na siya work. Apply na siya private. I was also teaching at private that time. And then, ano pinag-anda, pina-improve na yung photography siya is aming photographer that time, okay, friend. And then, our laag. At, I see a man or pamapiki sa wall, di malimta na mo dong picture, or at to make karaoke. Lagi tumbad! So, next na po ang part 2.